Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 3, short questions and answers. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 3, short question, and this is lecture number 9, and today's HW number is 7 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. And you can see I have written here all short questions and answers, and this is number 1, short questions. What is compost? What is compost? Answer is a mixture that consists of organic matter and is used for fertilizing and conditioning land is called compost. Now short question 2 number. 2 number short question is what is recycling? What is recycling? Answer is remaking things into either the same kind of thing or new products is called recycling. Short question 3 number. People use soil in their life in different ways. What are 2 uses of soil in our life? Answer is here. 2 uses of soil in our life are given below. 1 number is here. People use soil for growing plants. And 2 number, people make houses and buildings on soil. Now short question number 4. Plants use soil as their habitat. What do plants need to grow? And the answer is here. Plants grow in soil. Plants grow well in soil that contains fertilizers. Fertilizers include the elements those are most important in plant nutrients. Plants need nutrients to grow and survive. Next is short question number 5. What is soil pollution? Answer is soil pollution happens when people introduce harmful materials directly or indirectly into the soil. Now the last question answer, 6 number short question. What is soil conservation? Answer is soil conservation is a protection of soil from erosion or the maintenance of soil fertility. So dear students, it was our today's topic. Now HW. Our today's HW number is 7 number HW, and your HW will be short question number 2 and 3. That means here is 2 number short question is this one. What is recycling? And 3 number short question is this one. People use soil in their life in different ways. What are 2 uses of soil in our life? So I am repeating your HW. This is 7 number HW, and your HW will be short question 2 number and 3 number. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned HW in your HW copy. And you have to submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again.